Finishing touches.
Yeah.
Sadie, or no, I say that.
No, take the fingerprints off it. That way, nobody's been here. Look at that. Where's the screen gone?